To make Thai dishes, it is important to know some basic Thai ingredients, such as lemongrass, kaffir lime leaves, straw mushrooms, chilies, limes, and shallots. Lemongrass. Lemongrass imparts a lemon flavor with hints of ginger. It is a common ingredient in Thai cooking. Fresh lemongrass is preferred as it gives a better mix of bright and complex flavors. To use it in your cooking, always cut off the lower bulb and remove tough outer leaves. There are 2 ways to prepare it. One way is to cut the stalk into about 1-inch lengths and then bend them several times, which will help release the lemon flavor. After they're cooked, take them out before eating. This method is used to make hot and sour shrimp soup with coconut milk. Another way is to mince them into very small pieces. Although it takes more effort to prepare, you won't need to take them out before eating. Kaffir lime leaves. Kaffir lime leaves are strong scented leaves that also have a fresh lemon flavor. These leaves are used extensively in Thai and other Southeast Asian cuisines. Fresh kaffir lime leaves are always preferable. When cooking with them, it's best to think of them as a kind of aromatic bay leaf. You can crush fresh and dried leaves in your hands to help release their flavor. When using dried leaves, the heat and moisture of cooking helps them release their flavor. It is an important ingredient in soups such as tom kha soup and Thai curry dishes. Straw mushrooms. Usually this mushroom is approximately thumb-sized and can be distinguished by its pale pink gills and white spore print. The mushrooms have long white stems with bulbous bases and drooping yellow to brown caps with a partial veal. Straw mushrooms grow all over East and Southeast Asia. It's a popular ingredient in Asian recipes. You can buy canned straw mushrooms from Asian markets. These mushrooms are often used in soups like tom yum goong, as well as stir-fries, and contribute a distinctive, slightly musty flavor. Chilies. Fresh and dried chili peppers provide heat in Thai food and are used in sauces and stir-fries. The fresh peppers may be red or green, while the dried ones are red. Refrigerate fresh chilies for up to a week or store them in the freezer. They're used in many Thai dishes including curry paste, soups, salads like mango salad, and various stir-fries. Limes. Lime juice gives a tart lift to soups, stir-fry dishes, grilled meats, and salads like green papaya salad. Lime leaves are often used in Thai cooking, but if they're hard to find, you can use freshly grated lime zest to lend a similar taste to curries and soups. Shallots. Shallots are chopped and added to salads like Thai beef salad. For a little crunch and bite, thinly sliced shallots appear in many Thai dishes. With these ingredients, you will be prepared to make many popular Thai dishes. Thank you for watching. Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.